Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be dropping back in on Rollercoin. I know it's only been about 5 days, but I just want to do a quick update to show you what's been going on with my account. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so let's get straight on with this. As you can see, we're here in my Rollercoin account, and for some of you eagle-eyed viewers out there, you will probably instantly notice that there has been a change. Okay, so from the last video, basically since the last video, we have purchased more racking and we've gained more miners. So 5 days ago, which like I say was about the last time we did a video on this, we had 1.407 petahashes. We now have 1.506. That's a gain of around about 100 terahashes. And basically, you know, just like I'm always talking about in dual mine, that, you know, I'm constantly trying to boost my accounts and just keep them moving forward, keep them building and keep them gaining, because at the end of the day, what that means is that basically we're simply earning coins faster, which means we can do withdrawals faster, which is obviously the important part of this whole thing. All these programs, you know, is getting your withdrawals. That is the point. So like I say, you know, always trying to keep our accounts moving forward. Okay, so basically what I did was I purchased one of these large ones, which is worth 70 terahashes, and then I bought two of these slightly littler ones, which are worth 15 terahashes each. So that's equating to 100 terahashes. So also as well, what we're going to do is we're going to show you, we got 3 proof of payments that we've done, which I'm going to show you for this video. And as obviously in my last video, if you didn't realize, we are now on double block points. So we were receiving 9,000 satoshis per block, or there was, should I say, there was 4,500 satoshis in a block. We're now getting 9,000 satoshis in a block. So that means that anything you were earning originally, that has now been doubled. So obviously this is a really good time to be using this program, because no matter what you're doing to build your account, you are earning double the amount of coins. So that is massive. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video that will also show you the mobile app, so you can build your account and by playing the little games while you're on the move, you know, so you've got it with you all the time. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will also be there, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so proof of payment. So we did, or should I say, I have done recently a Bitcoin withdrawal, an Ethereum withdrawal, and a Doge withdrawal, and I'm going to show you them all right now. Okay, so let's go and check it out. So basically, first we're going to do is go into our wallets, and first we're going to look at is Bitcoin. You'll also notice as well, like I say, it's only been 5 days ago since I pretty much emptied my wallet, and we're nearly at 50% of the way to another withdrawal on Bitcoin. We are, what, about 100 Doge away, just under 100 Doge away from another withdrawal there, and we're very close to being another, because 350 I believe is, or is it 4,000 for Ethereum is the minimum. Yeah, 4,000, 40,000 should I say. In fact, no, sorry, my brain is gone. It's 4 400,000. Sorry, 400,000. So we're about 50% of the way there as well. So yeah, okay, so if we go into history, also as well, yep, you can see there I do have 15 RLT just waiting for basically 9 more, and I'll be able to get another gold 15 terahash miner as well. Okay, so you can see here we did a withdrawal for 15,000 on the 2nd of July, 12/26, 2020. And if you just look over to the left hand side of the screen, you'll see there that we received the withdrawal, as that's a screenshot of my wallet, on the 4th of July 2020, 15,000 sats. So I mean, 2 days. Again, these guys have been really consistent with their withdrawals, and it's pretty much 2 days every single time. So that is absolutely brilliant. And like I say, the reason why I do these payment proofs so regular is because then you know that the program is still working and fully functional. You know, so you can then decide whether you want to invest, or even if you just want to get into the program, you know that it is working. Okay, so next we'll do the Doge. So again, we go to history. You can see there that we made a withdrawal of 409 Doge at 9:27 in the morning on July 4th, 2020. And again, if you look to the left of the screen, you'll see that it landed in my wallet on the 5th of July. So probably because I did it so early in the morning, it actually only took a day, and 409 Doge. So you know, you can't knock it. And we're Ethereum finally, history. So again, so we made what's that, 420,000 pretty much, 12/28 July the 2nd 2020. And if you look there at the screenshot on the left, 4th of July landed in the wallet, 2020, 419, but it's like 419,9999, so it's basically 420, but I'm not quite sure where that very small percentage disappeared to, but there you go. So you know, as you can see there, the program is working extremely well, getting withdrawals regularly, and the good thing is we are getting them quickly. So you know, there's not a whole lot to say. I know it is just a fast and quick update, and if you are interested in getting into this program and you want to check out those earlier videos, then they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.